Your UGC budget just got cut again, but your conversion targets didn't. You still need to post relatable content, but you don't want to get yourself on camera, and most AI videos look like AI videos. I've been testing VEED's UGC generator, and it's solving the biggest problem in AI advertising, making videos that don't look like robots talking at your audience. So here's how it works. Create your character using VEED, holding your product, and upload it to the Gen AI studio. You're already winning because you've handpicked your avatar. You're not choosing a corporate, or maybe you are, glitchy looking avatar. You're creating an AI character, the star of your ad, with the right clothes, holding your product. VEED then generates a script based off of your product, or you can write your own. You upload your character image, choose or clone a voice that fits your brand, and then generate the video. Adjust the script, change up the scenes, voice or language, and add subtitles to make it yours. The difference is immediately obvious. Generic AI ads are so obviously AI. These look like someone actually filmed it themselves talking about your product, and that's what converts. With multiple creatives needed for ad testing, this is game changing. You test different characters, different hooks, different CTAs, and scale the winning ad across markets with voice cloning in different languages. Start free at veed.io. No watermarks on the free plan. Create UGC ads that look like your brand, not like everyone else's AI. Finally, AI videos worth posting.